Very good. Who's this?
Is the Cuban.
Who's this?
Is Cuban.
James Buchanan. He says Buchanan weird. Okay, who's this? Hey, look at the card I'm holding. Who's this?
The Kiss.
Very good. Who's this guy?
Little Simmer.
Good. Who's this guy?
This is This is Benjamin Harrison.
Yes. He looks a lot like Obi-Wan Kenobi. Who's that?
Abby.
Who's this?
This is Seth.
Who does Daddy have?
Go with Cleveland.
Right.
And who's this?
Go with Cleveland again. This was
Who's this?
John Adam.
Yes, that's John. Who is this I'm holding?
My holding. The Washington. And my holding. The Washington.
Right.
I like the third one. The tin.
Who's Daddy holding?
It's dead. This is dead.
Who's this?
Teddy Roosevelt.
Right.
And my holding. The Washington.
We've established who you're holding.
My holding. The Washington.
Who am I holding?
My Lincoln.
And who's this?
Am I holding the Washington?
Who am I holding?
It's Johnson.
Very
Am
good.
I holding?
You're going to hold somebody different now. Give me this.
Am I
Here.
holding the Washington?
Now hold that one.
Who are you holding now?
My holding Daisy Jackson.
Can you say that more clearly? Who is
Daisy
that?
Jackson.
There you go.